turn off the oven and get maximum oven spring? Hey, what's up? I have two nice sourdough bread here. Can you tell the difference? We are going to bake 2 loaves of sourdough bread from open baking, and we are going to save up some electricity. One with the fan function, I mean convection, and for the other one, we are going to turn off the oven and see if we can get maximum oven spring like they said. So today video going to be so much fun. Don't go anywhere.
It's winter time, and if you live in cold climate, you can put your sourdough starter into the oven with the light on. Cause we always gonna need a super active starter, like so. I just show you real quick how I made these two breads. For recipe, check out the rest of my sourdough videos on my channel. Cause this is an experiment video about baking method. And of course, I don't want to waste your time. This is my no kneading method. Mix the dough, rest 30 minutes, bring it together, rest 1 hour, lamination, round it up, another 1 hour resting, and I give it 1 coilful. Pre-shape and shape it, which I'm gonna show you how. First bread done, and everything gonna be same for the second dough. And then into the fridge for cold fermentation, and the day after I'm gonna score it and bake it. For the first bread, preheat the oven on highest heat with the fan function, of course. And this is my oven setup. For more info on this, check the rest of the videos. I put the link again. Time to score first bread. I'm gonna score it, put it into the oven, and after 5 minutes, I'm gonna use 5-minute score method. Take it out and re-score it and put it back into the oven. This technique, of course, help you to get more expand on your bread. After just 15 minutes, I'm gonna reduce the temperature to 210. I'm gonna remove the steam and bake for another 15 minutes without the steam. So total baking time is only 30 minutes. For the second bread, again preheat the oven, maximum temperature with the fan function. Again, this is my oven adjustment. Create a steam as much as you can, cause we need it. A pan with a towel inside, or cast iron or Dutch oven pan. Later, we're gonna pour boiling water on them. Give it a confidence score, like the other bread. I'm always rebranding my score. Spray of water. Now, this is interesting. Into the oven and turn off your oven. After just 12 minutes, look at it. After the dough finish its rising, maybe after 20 to 30 minutes, look at this gorgeous. I'm gonna bake it for 15 minutes to get some color with the maximum temperature, and time to watch. From open baking with fan function, an amazing crust, and beautiful crumb. Second one, from weird method, turn off the oven. The first one has better crust, but this one also acceptable. But look at this gorgeous crumb, amazing.
That was all about this year. Next year, I'm going to continue comparing loaf of sourdough breads, experimenting new techniques and different methods. Join me on this journey and make sure you subscribe my channel so you don't miss my next video. You can always share your thoughts with me and ask your questions. Happy New Year everyone, and thanks for watching my channel. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself.